Welcome back, everyone. Before we get into the update, let's get this out of the way. Yes, this video uses an AI narrator. Yes, people love to complain about AI narrators. And yes, I get it. Sometimes they look too perfect, like they drink Wi-Fi for breakfast. But trust me, the content you're about to hear is 100% human, researched, written, narrated, and fueled by caffeine and chaos, not by an algorithm. The narrator? Just here to look pretty. All right, now that your anti-AI sensors have calmed down, let's talk about what the hell happened with Cloudflare today and what the status looks like now. So earlier today, the internet woke up and collectively said, why is every website broken? Cloudflare, one of the biggest infrastructure providers on the planet, started showing widespread disruptions. The impact wasn't limited to one region or one service. It hit websites using Cloudflare CDN, apps relying on Cloudflare DNS, companies using Cloudflare Access for login, APIs routed through Cloudflare Workers, SaaS tools running on the Cloudflare Edge network. And because Cloudflare sits in front of millions of websites, the outage didn't feel like one platform went down. It felt like the internet tripped and smashed its face on the floor. Now let's talk about what Cloudflare themselves have said. And the keyword here is not much. They did not declare a major incident. They did not confirm a system-wide failure. They did not report an attack, a breach, or a meltdown. Instead, their status page shows a long list of scheduled maintenance windows that conveniently overlap with the exact period when the outage occurred. Which raises the obvious question, did maintenance cause the outage? Cloudflare hasn't officially said yes, but the timing is suspiciously perfect. This wouldn't be the first time, either. Back in June 2025, Cloudflare suffered a massive outage due to issues with the Workers KV storage system. That outage also cascaded into CDN, DNS, and edge routing failures. So today's pattern, maintenance window plus internet chaos, lines up with previous incidents. Here's where things get interesting. Even if Cloudflare didn't declare a major issue, third-party monitoring tools absolutely did. We saw multiple independent trackers show elevated latency across global regions, spikes in 502 and 503 errors, timeouts on workers and API endpoints, reduced global reachability, sudden drops in successful request rates. Cloudflare Radar also showed irregularities, not enough to label it catastrophic, but definitely enough that engineers everywhere started sweating. Some businesses also reported checkout failures on e-commerce sites, broken authentication flows, high customer support ticket spikes, users thinking their website was the problem when it wasn't. So while Cloudflare avoided the major incident label, the internet definitely felt something major. As of right now, things seem stable. Most websites are loading normally, API calls are succeeding, and latency has dropped back to baseline levels. Cloudflare's status page shows the maintenance windows still ongoing, but no current incident alerts. This means the worst is behind us, at least for today. But outages like this always leave a bigger question behind. How much of the internet should depend on one company? Here's the part most people don't talk about. Cloudflare is no longer just a CDN. They control major portions of the internet's plumbing. DNS, web application firewall, traffic routing, load balancing, DDoS protection, zero trust access, and edge compute. Think about it like this. Cloudflare is the highway system for the internet. If one lane closes, the traffic gets ridiculous. If multiple lanes close, the entire city stops. Today's outage is another reminder that centralization is efficient, but dangerous. When Cloudflare sneezes, millions of websites catch a cold. If your business relies on Cloudflare or any single provider, here's what you need to do. 1. Add a backup DNS provider. Multi-DNS setups can literally save your website from going dark. 2. Use a mix of providers for critical layers. Your CDN, DNS, and WAF don't need to come from one vendor. 3. Implement synthetic monitoring. You should know your site is down before your users do. 4. Build a transparent incident response plan. Pre-written customer notifications save time and reduce panic. 5. Monitor real-time traffic baseline patterns. Most businesses don't even know their normal latency until an outage happens. 6. Revisit your SLAs and resilience strategy, especially if you run a SaaS product or depend heavily on Cloudflare workers. As Cloudflare releases more details, Whether it's a quiet correction or a full post-mortem, I'll break it down in simple human English. Not AI English, not corporate English, actual English. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. And to everyone who doesn't like AI videos, relax. I'm still here. The AI is just here to save my throat and look good on camera. Stay resilient, and I'll see you in the next update.